Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the straighten button here. This is our leveler. By just one tap we can turn it on, another tap to turn it off. As you can see, the blue color suggests us that now this is turned on, and here it appears in the camera preview. So this line is useful when we want to, for example, keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how it works here. Of course, when we don't need our leveler, we can easily tap on this button here in the right corner once again and pick this one to turn it off. So for now the leveler has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.